Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to export your messages from Messenger really quickly and easily. So first things first, simply open the Facebook app and tap on the menu button in the bottom right corner. From here you can then go to your settings and privacy. Then settings and then account center. Then next simply click on information and permissions. Then finally tap export your information. Now you're then going to have to make sure that only messages is selected. So you can also choose a date range, the format you want to export in, and whether you want media like photos and videos included. So finally, you then have to tap create file, and Facebook will then prepare your messages and notify you when the file is ready. So once that's done, you then have to open the notification and download it to your phone or save it to cloud storage so you can view all your Messenger conversations. And that's it. So your chats will then be exported directly from your mobile device. And that's how to export messages from Messenger. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.